Yeah. Mama helped.
Okay, say giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up, horsey.
I got my feet down here.
You keep your feet there? Yes, that's good.
It helps for bouncing, doesn't it?
Make sure you're hanging on, Evie.
Yeah, hang on, honey.
Oh,
look at her
Grandpa
go.
made it.
Yeah. Grandpa made it.
Do
Mama helped. Grandpa made it.
Yeah, Mama helped.
You can tell Grandpa thank you if you really like it. You can say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah, well, you're very welcome, Evelyn.
Mommy's taking a picture of you riding that horsey. Show her how nice you can ride that horsey.